Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we bring you room by room interior design tips. Let's take a tour through your home, one room at a time. First, the living room. The heart of every Indian home. It's where family and friends gather, so comfort and style are the key. Start with neutral tone furniture as your base, then add personality through vibrant cushions, a statement rug, or maybe a couple of traditional pieces like brass lamps or a wooden swing. Oh, and don't forget to include plenty of natural lights. Large windows and sheer curtains work wonders for opening up the space. Pro tip: add a touch of greenery with indoor plants. They not only purify the air but also bring a refreshing vibe to your living room. Now, let's move to the kitchen, the busy hub of every Indian household. Whether you have a compact or spacious kitchen, the key is functionality and smart storage. Opt for modular cabinetry as it helps maximize space while keeping things organized. Don't shy away from experimenting with bold backsplashes in traditional patterns like Jaipuri tiles. A colorful kitchen backsplash adds charm while making cleaning a breeze. Next, the bedroom, your personal sanctuary. Now this room is all about comfort, so focus on soothing colors like whites, creams, or even earthy tones. Go for soft lighting with bedside lamps for a cozy vibe. Now in bedrooms, handcrafted wooden furniture like a teak bed or a cane chair adds a traditional yet modern feel, so do try it. And if you have the space, create a small reading nook or a meditation corner. Don't worry, a comfy chair, a throw, and a few cushions are all you need. Moving to the bathroom, simplicity is key here. Use tiles in neutral tones and consider adding a pop of color with vibrant tiles or a quirky mirror. Now keep the surface clutter-free by incorporating smart storage solutions like wall-mounted or even under-the-sink cabinets. And to bring in a bit of that spa-like feel, add a couple of scented candles and some bamboo baskets to store your essentials. Last but definitely not the least, your kids' room. Make it a fun space by playing with colors, patterns, and themes. You can choose animal motifs, space theme, or even cars as a theme and carry it throughout the bedding, curtains, and even removable wall decals. Make sure to include plenty of storage for toys, books, and games. Open shelving works great here. It'll let your kids access and clean up after playtime. Designing your home, one room at a time, can be a fun and fulfilling experience. It's all about balancing functionality with personal style. Remember, your home should reflect who you are while still being practical for daily life. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.